But conditions down at Chepstow probably not too bad actually. Good protection there of course from the Welsh mountains. A little bit of brightness hanging on, always a good deal of cloud, but you might see the sun from time to time, and temperature near 9 degrees. The wind picking up as you go further north across at Lansdowne Road, and there the clouds are rather thick. It could just give the odd spot of drizzle. Now conditions are certainly rather different over in Scotland. Here it's windy already, very windy weather coming now through the Forth and Clyde valleys. And there'll be the odd spot of rain in the wind as well during the course of the match, so it may well brighten up again before the second half is out. Now the change up in the north of Scotland at the moment coming up because of this cold front, which is already introducing rather colder weather to the far north, and it will sweep southwards later on today. If I look at that cold front then, it's now coming into Scotland. It'll sweep down across the whole country later on, and that's the way it'll line up by about lunchtime on Sunday. So you can see some very strong winds, in fact, coming down the northern and eastern part of the country in the next 24 hours. Already up to gale force in the far northeast, and gales or even severe gale force winds for those northeastern parts of Scotland, with gales rushing down the east coast later on today, and everywhere it's going to be pretty blustery as well, even in the west during the next 24 hours or so. That's the radar picture then. You can see some fairly steady rain across western parts of Scotland, but further south it's mainly dry. The sunshine though disappearing in most places as we go through the afternoon, that thicker cloud tumbling southwards fairly steadily, but some sunshine hanging on in sheltered parts of the south. The rain not amounting to very much, but a little bit of red and drizzle coming through in the wind to many northern parts of the country. But before the afternoon's out, many parts of Scotland will brighten up, though it will turn colder, and there'll be some wintry showers for the far north. Gale force winds then making it feel pretty cold up in the far north of Scotland. Elsewhere temperatures around about 8 or 9 degrees. But then tonight, that band of cloud and occasional rain moving across the whole of the south, clearing most places, but then there will be some wintry showers feeding down the east coast. Fairly frequent showers, mainly of hail and snow as well, up in the north of Scotland, giving a covering, particularly on the higher ground, but on some lower ground as well before the night's out. Temperatures in sheltered parts tonight down to 0 to -2 degrees, but that cloud cover in the southwest and across in Northern Ireland too, keeping it that little bit milder. A good deal of sunshine to come tomorrow to begin with in central parts of the country, but there will be more showers for the north.